In this specific video, I'm going to show you how to turn long or very ugly long affiliate links into short and pretty links. Now, you may be thinking, why in the world would I want to do this? Well, think about it. Let's say you go to Google and you find a site and it's very, very long. If you're going to copy and paste that into your WordPress site and somebody clicks on that and maybe it ends up not really working, then you have a problem in your hands. Or if they click on it and it just looks really, really unprofessional, then you want to make sure that it looks professional. So that's what we're going to do today in this specific video. What I want you to do now is simply head on over to WordPress. And you're going to look for a specific plugin. So go under plugins, click on add new, and do a search for pretty links. Click search plugins, and it's the light version, Pretty Link Lite. This is the free version. It's basic, and this is really all we need. So click on install now, click OK, enter your FTP username and password, click on proceed, click activate plugin, and there we go. Now I'm going to walk you through the process of using Pretty Links. So simply click this here, and we can click on add a pretty link, and here we go. This is very, very easy to use. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is to have a URL, either an affiliate URL or a very long URL, or just something that you want to cloak so that you can make it look professional. Let me hop on over to google.com and find a very long link. So let me give you an example here. Let's say we have a site about panda bears. So I'm going to type in panda bear. We're going to click on images, and I'm going to pick a panda bear. Okay, so maybe we'll just pick this person. Okay, or not person, but bear. So view original image. I don't recommend that you take an image off somebody's website and put it on to your own website, because that would violate copyright laws and this and that. But this is a great example, so I'm going to copy this, and if we enter the target URL here, we can instead Internet Profits University /panda. Panda bear chillin'. So we got your target URL, your pretty link, your title. Now your title should be something related to your keyword. And then under options, we have groups. You can add a group. In this case, we're going to leave it as it is. For SEO options, you can have a no follow this link. We're going to leave that blank. Perimeter forwarding. You do not need to check this. This is for advanced users, and it says track hits on this link. And that would be great if we can see how many people are going to this specific pretty link. So when we click on create, we have now created a pretty link. So now instead of that really long URL, as you can see here, if we go to yourdomain.com/panda, it goes straight to this specific site. Now this is great, especially if you're promoting an affiliate product and you have this really, really long URL, or you're referring to a site and it has this really, really long URL. Instead of doing that, you can simply cloak it, track the hits, and make it look professional. So that's how to shorten a very long link and keep it on your website. And that's it.